Hello and welcome back to Crappy Meals. Today we're going to be making pasta. You're going to need fake bacon, pasta, onion, pasta sauce, and I cannot fucking stress this enough, a baking tray, and also a knife. Now that you've got everything you need, time to start chopping the onions. Now oil up your tray. Forgot to mention you're going to need oil too. Oh, and a spoon, you're going to need a spoon. Now add the onions to the tray. Also forgot you're going to need a bowl. Now turn the oven on, not that one, turn the oven on. That's not a fucking oven. Nice. Get those nice and coated in the oil. Give it a stir and get them centralized on the tray for maximum heatage. Also, you need an oven glove, forgot that one. Tray's hot. And my fake bacon needed scissors to get into, so you're going to need some of those. Now pop your fake bacon on the tray. And occasionally turn it with a fork. Forgot you're going to need a fucking fork too. And a kettle, why not? Now add your pasta to the tray. And add your boiled water. Watch that bubble. And unless you've got no taste buds, you're gonna need salt. And a sieve, forgot that one too. Now drain the pasta and add back in your onions and bacon. Add the pasta sauce and return to the heat. Make sure to stir and get that pasta coated evenly. Please take this moment to hit like and subscribe for more crappy meals. Why not hit it again even? Also, you need a plate. Forgot that one. Now once it's on the plate, look at that. Delicious and ready to eat. If that isn't a crappy meal.